Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these brownie cookies. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up before you go. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. That will also be in the description, along with the original recipe link for this recipe. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So firstly, in a small bowl, you want to mix together your dry ingredients. Then moving on to a medium-sized bowl, you want to use a hand mixer to mix together all of your wet ingredients. Once you've done that, just set it aside and we're going to move on to the stove top, and you want to put in your butter and melt that down, and then add in your chocolate chips and whisk that until it's nice and melted, and then we're going to set it aside off of the hot surface to add in our cocoa powder. Then you want to add this mixture to your wet ingredients, and again using a hand mixture, mix this until it's combined, and then you want to add in your flour mixture, and you can use a spatula to mix it or a hand mixer. I kind of used a bit of both. And this batter is a little bit more of a runny batter for a cookie dough, but yeah, that's how it's meant to be. So make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and make sure you have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and you can just use a spoon or a cookie scoop to scoop out the size you want for your cookies. And you want to bake these for around 8 to 10 minutes, and as soon as they come out of the oven, an optional step is you can add in some chocolate chips on the top of them so it can melt into the cookies and add more chocolatey goodness to the cookies. And before drying, you want to let them sit for around 5 minutes, and then you can go ahead and eat them, and they are very delicious and yet a very easy and simple recipe that didn't take a lot of time at all. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Again, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok in my description box, and also the original recipe link and the measurements for this recipe will also be in the description. And I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye guys!